Hello all. Well, it is with great pleasure that I bring to you tonight this absolutely stunning 1972 Corniche coupe, finished in Mason's black and black leather hides. This is a car that we restored, I want to say maybe 6-7 years ago. Sold to one of our most respected customers and recently purchased back. Have a look at this. All the wood was refinished. Look at that. Even the finish of this badge we requested by the customer, rather than have it sort of just sitting on the dash, we actually embedded it and it's cleared over the top so it just feels smooth. Look at this. It's a little dark in here, but you'll get the idea. The leather was refinished. Beautiful and soft, and just starting to show the very early signs of patina, which I absolutely adore. Everything was kept original, except for the fitment of a later model Blarpunkt and this little compartment to put things in there. And if one ever wanted that to go back to the original, that'd be a very easy change, because this would have had an 8-track in here. But it's very useful, or you could just finish it off with a piece of wood. We built a very special purpose-built cup holder, which is permanently affixed to the inside. Truly a spectacular example. Paint can't be described anything but perfect. It is simply perfect. When we restored her, we did all sorts of things like brand new tail lights, lenses down here. I think we even did some chrome work. And then the beauty is, the owner was the sort of person that meticulously maintained the car, and we know that because we did all the maintenance for him. So this car is becoming available very soon. That's Bentley, our shop cat that's joined me tonight. So again, this is a 72 Rolls-Royce Corniche coupe, finished in Mason's black top and black leather interior. Everything on this car has been completely gone through, fully maintained car. Every single thing on the car works the way it should, not just mechanically, but operationally. So we're talking AC, seats, windows, antenna, every single aspect. So this is a true turnkey motor car, available from the best, of course, Park-Wardmotors, and we can be found at park-ward.com.